Hey, fourth grade. So today we're just going to do something really quick. We're going to learn the A section of this brand new song, and then I want you just to sing the solfege for me in Seesaw. So really quick, really easy. Let's take a look at it, and we're going to start our 5 steps to reading. Remember, step 1 is always clap the rhythm. So let's clap the rhythm of this song together. Ready, set, and off you go. Do-day, do-day, do, 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 do. Your turn on your own and go. Excellent. Hey, if at any time, I'm going to go through these steps super quick. If at any point you missed a step or you feel like you need more practice, go ahead and pause the video and go back and do the step another time. Okay? So here is step 2, name the solfege. So let's take a look at what we have. If you look at our key right here, it looks like we're using the line rule because do, mi, and so are all in lines. And then re, la, and high do are all the spaces. So super easy, starts on so, the whole first measure is so, la, do, so, mi, re, mi, nice back and forth, so, mi, re, do. Super easy, right? Cool. Again, if you need more time, go back and do it again. I'm moving on to step 3, which is copies and the form. Are there any copies? Oh, there's not. Okay. Moving on to step 4. Hand signs. Hand signs. Yep, that is how you spell that. Okay. Hand signs. So starts here. I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So starts up here. So. Do is way up there. So, mi, re, mi, re. Good. Remember re, I know you couldn't see it. Re is this, and do is down on your legs. Okay? Practice hand signs again on your own. Here I go. So. Do, so, mi, so. All right. Excellent. So your final step, I shouldn't say your final step, but the final practice step is audiate, using your brain voice to sing it inside your head like you're silent reading. So I better move my box up a little bit. There you go. I want you to do that in your brain, hand signs, inside your head, hear how it sounds, and read through it on your own. Okay, I'll give you maybe 10 seconds to do that. Starts on so, here you go. How'd you do? Okay, I'm going to play along with you just to help you out this last time. And then you're going to go sing it in Seesaw on your own. So this is your practice. So I hope I can tell if you've practiced and have watched the video, because if we sing it for me and you have no idea how the song goes, I'm going to tell you to go back and watch the video. Here it goes. Okay, I know this was super quick. Like I said, if you need more practice, and most of you will, go back and watch the video again, or just back it up a little bit and do the ending part with me again, and then head over to Seesaw and sing it on solfege just like you did, okay? All right, I'll see you right here next time. Bye.